So in this video, I'm going to show you that black 16-inch shower head.
Swapping out our old 12-inch. Now this is a matte finish, so yeah, if you start pressing it now, you will get fingerprints. But once you install it, of course, you're not going to be touching each individual nozzle. It does work, but if some of them do get clogged, in order to clean them out, you simply just kind of press it a couple of times, and that's going to release any impurities that you may find in here. The quality of this is quite beautiful, quite nice, and it's going to go really nice in our bathroom. So let's go and install this. Alright, so this is the washroom that we currently have. This is all going to get retiled to white, but for now this is what it is. That is a 12-inch nickel shower head, so we're going to be replacing it with this one. On the back of here, you're going to have a piece of plastic. We're going to take that off. This does turn. There's a thread in here, so we're just going to turn it. This is an older one, and if we compare it, you can see that the size is quite different.
Now, if you are experiencing leakage from the top, you will need Teflon tape. You need to take this Teflon tape, wrap around 4 or 5 times, and then screw on your shower head.
Go counterclockwise, not clockwise, until you no longer can go in. Alright, so this will be the only thing that keeps turning. And this is about as much maneuvering as you can do. There we go, let's turn it on.
So this specific 16-inch shower head has individual silicone pieces. If they get dirty, you can clean them out by squeezing them out 4 or 5 times, and then all the gunk will just come out. And when the shower does run, you can see that only a few of them are going to activate at the same time, and then eventually the more water you introduce, the more of them are going to come out. The higher you place your shower head, the more of a natural, softer feel the water is going to have on your body. The lower and closer it is to your head, right, the stronger you're going to feel the drops. This specific shower head, when it hits you, the water is nice and soft enough that it feels really, really nice. And Misha will attest to that, right? Yeah, she's gonna attest to that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and that's the shower head.